Guys, we are in Barangay Terugo, Caramoan, Camarines Sur, Philippines. And this lakelet I'm showing you is a natural spring freshwater pool here in Barangay Terugo. This is Bulangbugang Resort. You know, this resort may be simple, but what I like the most here is that the natural landscape of the place is undestroyed, unexploited, and undistracted. Although, there are improvements made here like putting up the facilities to cater the needs of the guests coming here for swimming. Since this lakelet or natural pool has a natural spring water source, so the water is not stagnant. It continues flowing to the stream. So you are sure that you are swimming in a clean, cold water, fresh from the spring. And the place is cold even at noontime because it's under the trees around here, the natural forest trees that covers the place. So it's cold actually even at noontime. So you see here, they did not change much, they did not destroy the natural landscape of the place, although there are improvements made in here like putting up the stairways, the verandas, and the walkways around the lakelets, plus the cottages that you can occupy. And of course, the basic facilities like shower room and comfort rooms. So here we go. The place is simple but beautiful. The resort location is close to Caramoan National Park, so it's not surprising to see this rock wall. This is a small cave beside the lake, and the rock walls are made of, I think, chromite or marbles, but they look to me like chromite. So this is just beside the lake. Before I proceed to Bulangbugang Resort, let me first take the shot of this beautiful place. By the way, the direction is from the town proper of Caramoan going to Presentacion direction. More or less 2 kilometers away, you will find a road to the right. You have to enter that road, and from the junction, you have to take a ride for more than 1 kilometer. So it's not far. Only 3 kilometers away to the town proper of Caramoan, and the road condition is concrete, although it's not that good, but you can bring any type of vehicle. Beautiful place. I am now inside the Bulangbugang Resort compound, and this is 3 kilometers away from the town proper of Caramoan. Now let me just show you the place so that you will have the idea how it looks like. So here is the place. Nothing is fancy, but you are enjoying the natural beauty of the place, communing with the nature while you are enjoying your bonding time with your family or friends. The swimming pool of Bulangbugang Resort is a free-flowing natural pool, and the water flows down to the river connected to this river where you see this water buffalo enjoying his time. By the way, for information, if you want to raise a water buffalo, your property should be close to a river because they need to be on the water during noontime. They are susceptible to high temperature and they need to be on the water when it is hot. I know because we have one.